Hi everyone! Welcome back to Easy English. In our last episode, we learned about daily routines. Today we're taking that a step further and talking about the jobs we do every single day. Whether you are a student or already working, I'm glad you're here. A job or a profession is what you do to earn a living. Some people work in quiet places like libraries, while others work in very loud places like a construction site. There are so many paths to choose from in the world of work. My friend Mark is here today to help us out. Mark, what was your very first job? I remember you mentioned something about a summer job in episode 6. It sounded quite adventurous. Tell us more about it. Haha, that's right, Molly. I was a delivery person. I delivered newspapers on my bike every single morning before school started. It was hard work, but I learned a lot about being on time, talking to neighbors, and managing my own small route. Let's look at our first important word: colleague. A colleague is someone you work with at your job. They are your team members. For example, Molly and I are colleagues because we work on this show together every week to help you learn. Next is employer. An employer is the person or company that provides you with a job and pays you for your work. Your employer is often your boss. It is a very important relationship in the workplace built on trust and respect. Every job has its own tools. A doctor uses a stethoscope, a programmer uses a laptop, and a construction worker wears a hard hat for safety. These tools help us do our jobs well and safely every single day we go to work. Many people work a 9-to-5 schedule. This means they start at 9 a.m. and finish at 5 p.m. During the day, they might have a lunch break to eat and rest. What time do you start your work day? Is it early or late? Here is my top tip for your career. Always be a good listener. Whether you are talking to your boss or your colleagues, listening helps you learn faster and avoids mistakes. Plus, it makes you a great person to work with. Now it's your turn. Try saying it with me. I am a... and then say your job. For example, I am a student, or I am a doctor. Take your time, focus on the sounds. I'll wait right here while you practice. It is time for a quick quiz. Look at the screen. Who is your colleague? Is it A, B, or C? Think about it for a second. If you chose B, someone you work with, you are correct. You are doing a fantastic job today. Keep it up. Learning workplace English can be challenging, but you are making great progress. Every new word you learn brings you one step closer to your goals. We are so proud of the work you are putting in. Keep practicing every day. That's all for episode 7. Tell us about your dream job in the comments below. We love hearing from you and reading your stories. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy English. See you next time for more learning.